I have the gift of seeing. That's how people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. I will tell you for free. A lot of people are in bondage right now. They think it's bad luck. It's not bad luck. And when you are in a bondage, you are not there by accident. Somebody placed you there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to break out from bondage once and for all. And if you are in a bondage, that is where you notice that anything you try to do, there will be setback. You will always have promise and faith. You will always have disappointment. It will look as if you are moving in a cycle. It will look as if things are getting better today, but by tomorrow it will go back to where you were before. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to break free from any form of spiritual bondage. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is the Seer. I was born with the gift of Seer. That's how people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solution. Remember, where there is God, everything and anything is possible. All you are going to need for this, you are going to need coconut. You are going to need Seer flower perfume. You heard me right. You are going to need coconut. I are going to need Seer flower perfume. This is Seer flower perfume. These are the items you are going to need to break free from any form of spiritual bondage you are into right now. What are you going to do? You are going to get coconut. You are supposed to do this Wednesday for 5 days. Get 5 coconuts. Then you are going to open one eye of the coconut, okay? Or better still, you can break it, anyone. Once you have break the coconut, you pour the water inside your baby water. Then after you have poured the water inside your baby water, you see this shell, you break it out in pieces. Remove the shell, this coconut shell. Then put it inside that same baby water. Then you get heart full of salt, either sea salt or normal cookie salt. Anyone you want to use is fine. You get heart full of normal cookie salt or just few pieces of sea salt. Put it inside the baby water. Then you get this Seer flower perfume. And this Seer flower perfume, you add like 7 drops to your baby water or 9 drops to your baby water. That's if you're a man or a woman. You add 9 drops or 7 drops, okay, to your baby water. After then, you be naked the way you came to this world. Then you make prayers on that water that from today, no matter how hard the shell of a coconut is, it is breakable. So as a result, no matter how hard your situation is, you are breaking out from me today. From today henceforth, any spiritual bondage that is giving you setback, promise and faith, disappointment, that is making you to walk like an elephant, eat like a rat, that is making you to have disappointment in marriage, disappointment in your visa, that is making you to have disappointment in your success syndrome. From today, you break free from it. So you make that prayers on it. You know what you are passing through. When you are done making the prayers, you take your bath. And remember, when you are taking this bath, don't wear shoe. Just make sure you are 100% barefooted. Then after you have taken the bath, then you see the coconut shell that you inside. Remember, it's going to be, after you have taken the bath, the coconut shell will remain, right? Then you pack that coconut shell. Okay? You pack that coconut shell with your hands. Then you go to where you are. That's where you normally throw your waste bin. Where maybe if you have the waste bin at home, or if you are living in a village where you can try just go out, there's a waste bin. People normally dispose things. Take it to the waste bin direct. Then when you get to the waste bin, you say this prayer. You will say, anything that somebody don't want, you always dispose it in the waste bin. So I'm disposing my setback into this waste bin. I'm disposing promise and faith. I'm disposing disappointment. I'm disposing success syndrome. I'm disposing anything at all that is working against me. I'm disposing that illness that has been putting me down. I'm disposing that laziness that is drawing me backward. I'm disposing anything that is blocking me to get access to my wealth. I'm disposing anything that is stopping me to get married. I'm disposing anything that is working against me. So when you're done making the prayer, then you dispose those coconut shell inside that waste bin. And once you dispose them, please don't look back. Don't look back. Then you go home. Me, if you are to do this bath for 5 days, I will advise you do it once in a week, not sequentially, not continuously like today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. You can do it once in a week. Like you do it this Wednesday, the next Wednesday you do it, the next week Wednesday you do it. If you can do it for 5 weeks, that will be a month and a week, right? When you are done making this prayer, as you start making this prayer, even from your dream, if you are the kind of pet that you always see yourself running, you'll notice that dream will stop. If you are the kind of pet that you always see yourself in former places you are, once you take this bath 1 or twice, you'll notice that your dream will be more positive rather than negative. So this is a powerful way to use coconut and cease flower perfume to break free from any form of spiritual bondage. And remember, your intention also matters a lot when you are doing this prayer. Have the intention of what you want to do the prayer for. Don't just carry, let me just do this. Be clear. The universe respond more. Be clear of what you want to do, what you want this item to do for you before you start the prayer. Be clear. Your intention matters a lot. I believe it will work for you. And I pray that as you make use of this, as I'm the one that teaches you this, by special grace of Almighty God, the Creator, this will work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other important videos from me. See you guys in the next video. See ya. Always care. Who is Zuzu?